Hello everyone, today we're going to study two more strokes as shown here below. Stroke 1 and stroke 2. Stroke 1 is one line flicking to the left. If you start from the top right all the way down to bottom left, so that's the direction. And stroke 2 is exactly the opposite way. Start from top left and finish at bottom right. It should be this direction. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how do I actually write down these two strokes. First of all, you may notice a bit of difference today. I put down two squares here, just so that it's a bit easier for you to understand where exactly the line goes. Okay, so if you treat each of these as a square, you start from top right, finish at bottom. Okay, let's do this one. Again, it's about 45 degrees, top left to bottom right. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to learn the first character that's made of these two strokes. That looks familiar, doesn't it? Yes, that's right, because that's the character for number 8, ba. You may notice that these two strokes, they are not connected. It's separated here on the top, okay? It's very important, because now I'm going to show you what it looks like if they are connected, because it's a completely different character. Ren. Okay, so now you see these two strokes, they are connected from here, and this is different character, and that means a person or human being. The next character I'm going to show you is based on this one. We have learned the first two strokes. One is a vertical line, one is a horizontal line. Now I'm going to put down a horizontal line right here where you see the joining point. That's right, this is another character. And it means big. Okay, now think about something that's bigger than big. It's probably the sky. So the next character is going to be for sky. I just need one more line right at the top. Okay, alright, you got a new character, Tien, and that means the sky. It also has another meaning that means like a day. Now, what I have to show you is what you can get from the basic two strokes up until this point. This doesn't necessarily mean this is the right stroke order. Later on, I'm going to do another separate video to let you know and how to write them down correctly. Now you see, Chinese can be very easy. In my next video, I'm going to introduce two more characters based on these two strokes. If you do enjoy this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.